National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a flash flood warning for Johnson County, Kansas, Leavenworth County in northeastern Kansas, Wyandotte County in northeastern Kansas, southwestern Clay County, southeastern Platte County, until 8:30 a.m. At 4:42 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kansas City, Overland Park, Olathe, Shawnee, Lenexa, Leavenworth, Leawood, Prairie Village, Lansing, Merriam, Mission, Smithville, Bonner Springs, DeSoto, Parkville, Tonganoxie, Platte City and Bay Sur. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. for the following counties: in Kansas, Johnson, Leavenworth and Wyandotte, and the following counties: in Missouri, Clay and Platte.